In front of me is CYRUS CS40, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the browser that you are using, then tap on the More icon, which is 3 dots 1 in the right upper corner, and go to History. And here you've got all history that is stored in your device in your CYRUS CS40. If you would like to remove it, just tap on Clear Browsing Data. And now you have some basic and advanced features. Under Basic you will find browsing history, cookies and save data, and cached images and files. But then under Advanced you have a few more, and these are saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So just mark those that you would like to delete. I would like to remove everything, so I leave them all marked, and then just pick the time range. So here click on time range and decide if you would like to remove history from past hour, past 24 hours, last 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. I will pick all time because I would like to clear it fully, and then tap on clear data. And this is it. As you can see, there is no longer history here, and you can create it from scratch. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.